Okay, we are done. We are done. I am done. So, off of the checklist, there's a few things that are pending, but he wanted to get this hurry up and done so he can start showing it so he can rent it out. So, one of the things is right here. This garage motor, it's old, so it doesn't even have sensors, or maybe they took the sensors off, but it doesn't push the garage door down. And my brother-in-law works for a garage door company, and he came and we tried to adjust the rails over here on both sides. He said, okay, this one's uneven, it's not leveled, and we tried everything and it just didn't work. So that's one thing that's pending. I'm gonna send him the price on that. I swapped the door out, so this is a brand new door with the trim and everything pre-hung. So that's all swapped out. Still got the sticker on it. The floor is done. Again, shout out to my guy, Richard. This is the first bedroom downstairs. This was carpet, but the owner wanted the laminate floors afterwards. So my flooring guys had already did this and cut it right here. Otherwise they would have just had it run into the closet. So I told them I'll take care of it. So that's why it looks like that. They're all straight. So I did it. I think I did a pretty good job. There's the other side. This is the tile work I did right here. There was a banister here before, so we took that out. And I noticed that there's some tiles that have been replaced right here. And you can see this was done by an amateur. You see how they weren't really cut. There are jagged edges right here, chips right here. This is higher, way higher. I replaced that cooktop stove right there. So this is working nice. Yep. And again, we only painted the upstairs. So it's getting dark right now. It's what time is it? It's 8:23. So we painted the hallway, the door trim, the baseboards. A guy came in and did the carpet. I gotta get his number so we could collaborate. We painted this whole room. He didn't want the bathroom painted for some reason. Oh, look, the light's on. Let's turn this off. Painted this whole room. Didn't do the ceiling, he didn't want to. Painted this whole room. I did a ceiling on this one because the past tenant was trying to paint it and stopped. I just recently fixed that. The original tub drain was corroded and rotted out, so I had to open up the ceiling from the bottom. Replace that, and we painted this room, walls and baseboards only, and door trim. So we're done. I'm about to tell him I'm done, collect my payment, and then we're on to the next. One thing that we didn't do, which is one thing that hasn't been done, which he has to let me know if he still wants me to do it. Oh, this bathroom also. So I had to change the fill valve for that. And then this is the first time I've seen these doors, but instead of a guide right here, these doors have these tracks that go into the track right here. It has these wheels. Thought it was pretty interesting. Never seen it before. So I'm all done here. I'm gonna make sure this side door is closed, locked. I didn't put the smoke detectors up because he hasn't given them to me in time. And then there's something else on the list that I didn't do. So I'll adjust that payment. But one thing he has to realize is that I charge him for only 4 bedrooms and I painted 5. So he's going, this door is weird. Oh. So he has to realize that. I think I'm all done. I got everything. All right, cool. So yeah, guys, my second turnover. I learned a lot. Now I'm gonna start drafting up I already drafted up a contract because there was just a lot of miscommunication and he say, she say, and expectations that were never talked about, and changes that set me behind. But yeah, I reached my deadline. I told him I'd finish it yesterday, which I kind of did. Everything was, all the major stuff was done. It was just that tub that wasn't done, and I did that today. So yeah, about to send him the payment, and then we'll go from there.